3, 2, 1.
Colander, how would you do this? The answer is A. Can be used to hold sand. Why does the narrator feel more distant from the man? The answer is D. He is working more. How many vendor spaces does Ingevix have? The answer is B. 136. What is the outcome of the earlier interview? The answer is C. I did not get the job. When did the KMT move back to Nanjing? The answer is C. 1946. What year was La Valse de l'Adu released? The answer is B. 1928. To save money when you need cash, how would you do this? The answer is A. Get cash at an ATM instead of going to your bank. What happened after the community lost its water? The answer is A. Generations of farming were lost. Make a knit pillow. How would you do this? The answer is A. Sew two t-shirts together. To firm up the cookie batter prior to cooking, how would you do this? The answer is A. Place into the oven to cook for 25-30 minutes. Which wall is used for computer protection in the internet or other networks? The answer is A. Firewall. What industry is this product being marketed to? The answer is B. It is being sold to people in sales. In what year did Everton win the FA Cup in a 3-2 win over Sheffield? The answer is C. 1966. Which of these is most likely true about the narrator based on the passage? The answer is C. She is going to get the car from Hare. What has happened to Kelly during the 4 years of Chuck's Castaway? The answer is A. She got married. Why did they investigate the cupboard? The answer is B. They were curious as to what is behind it. What single year did Windows 95 use to apply rules to Israel's time changes? The answer is A. 1995. In what year did Sony and BMG Germany merge? The answer is D. 2004. A student has recorded the speed of cars for a science experiment. What type of graph would give the most detail about cars traveling in a particular speed range? The answer is C. Scatterplot. What has caused the narrator to be stuck at their parents' home? The answer is B. There was a large storm. Increase life of wax candles. How would you do this? The answer is A. Put candles in freezer for a few hours. Animals give off carbon dioxide that plants take in through leaves. What do plants give off as a result of photosynthesis that animals need to breathe? The answer is B. Oxygen. To squeeze all of the toothpaste out of a tube, how would you do this? The answer is A. Push the toothpaste out using a hair tie. What is the major source of energy for food chains? The answer is C. Sunlight. Who wrote the book on which the war film The Longest Day is based? The answer is C. Cornelius Ryan. At what age did Avicenna lose his father? The answer is B. 22. How old was William Roman IV when he survived? The answer is D. 71. Mobster and monster Cody Jarrett went out in a blaze of glory, literally. In what movie does Cody Jarrett declare made it, top of the world, just before the gas tank he is sitting on explodes? The answer is C. White Heat. What was the speaker biking? The answer is D. To go see fireworks. What kind of animals do you work with? The answer is A. I work with horses. What role did William Christopher play on M**********H, one of the longest running and most popular TV medical shows? The answer is D. Father Mulcahy. Which example best illustrates an action at a distance force? The answer is B. An apple falling. A very common greeting in India is Namaste or Namaskar. What does it mean? The answer is A. I bow to you. What may happen before it became her lone battle? The answer is C. She was struck with his sword. Earth, how would you do this? The answer is A. Can hold everything in the universe. Bacteria are responsible for many types of what in humans? The answer is D. Diseases. Which Death Eater bit Lupin? The answer is B. Fenrir Greyback. How many Waraches members were there in the original British Irish Parliamentary Assembly? The answer is B. 25. When did the Uncivil War happen? The answer is A, 350. When did Disney and LLC stop publishing Star Wars comics? The answer is A, 2015. What would say about the narrator and their level of culture? The answer is B, the narrator is cultured. In what year did US Pew Forum issue their first religion and public life survey? The answer is C, 2008. What was the topic of conversation on the walk? The answer is A, how men can change. Why my 77-year-old patient is in a hospital? The answer is B, because he has cancer and acute DIB. When was the first year that clubs threatened to leave the Football League? The answer is C, 1988. When did the Soviet Union establish relations with North Korea? The answer is C, 1965. Spanish East Indies is the former name of what country? The answer is A, Philippines. When does a baby double in length and triple in weight? The answer is D, infancy. What may I be getting on Wednesday? The answer is C, none of the above choices. In what year was Apple given rights to the iPod name?